Cybercrimes are on the rise. We read and hear about it almost every other day in the news. These threats are real and no one is immune to it, even us at PETRONAS. We, the PETRONAS cybersecurity team, are committed to partner with the business to manage this cyber risk, to protect our PETRONAS assets in a proactive and resilient manner. Over the past 6 months, we have been working to establish a new control framework which will become the guideline and standard for us to manage cybersecurity for both PETRONAS information and operation technology domains. Within PETRONAS today, there are over 3,000 IT applications that runs our business support functions and hundreds of OT applications that runs operations for plant, onshore and offshore assets. These are the assets that we need to protect. Together with you and various other cybersecurity teams, we will conduct cyber-related business impact, legal, regulatory, and risk assessments of these key PETRONAS information and system assets. For example, we've worked closely with Settle, Nico Chatbot, and Smart GEP and have helped them identify critical threats and risks. With our findings, we have helped them understand the cyber risks and security implications that could have been a threat not only within but also beyond PETRONAS. Risks of exposing identifiable data and the threats of external attacks are just two of the examples of such cybersecurity risks. Partnering with our business focals, we put in place risk mitigation actions to manage such vulnerabilities. We are also putting in place tools at our OT operations. This proactive monitoring will give us the ability to discover any threats to our assets.
I think we should focus on cybersecurity awareness.
Oh, cybersecurity track on Switch.
Yeah.
Yes, I think that's a brilliant idea. So why are all these important? In PETRONAS, we manage our reputation and stakeholders' trust with utmost care. I cannot stress enough the importance of being hyper-vigilant and highly aware of cyber threats landscape we all live and work in. The cybersecurity function will actively run engagements while instilling cyber-safe behaviors across the enterprise. We need you to address cybersecurity risks early, so join us to make PETRONAS a proactive and resilient organization today, keeping PETRONAS safe.